Hello guys, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever time you're going to watch this video. Of course, now is afternoon here. JJ, say hello.
Hello guys, say hello.
JJ need to drum. So guys, it has been a while I cook in this house. So today, as I told you, I've never eaten this noodles. I've never cooked it. Hello.
Hello guys.
Sorry. Divine is inside sleeping. I've just fed her and she's full now, and so she's sleeping. I said let me come and prepare this short period. I've never eaten this, so guys, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. You're highly welcome. So guys, as I was saying before, I've never eaten this one. I've never cooked it. So today I said let me try it for the first time. Here is my onion. Here is my spaghetti packet. There is tag in the packet. Here is my sausage. I'm coming to slice it. And here is my cucumber. I love cucumber. So after finishing the cook, I'll slice it in to enjoy it. So let me see if I'm going to love it or not. I don't know how it tastes, how it's gonna be. So I'm going to try to cook it very spicy, guys. So okay, is this water plenty? Anyways, I'm gonna reduce it when it's boiled. So cover it. Yeah, Precious is beating the pepper. Wait, I'm gonna look out for me wanting tomatoes. Yeah? So let's forge ahead. Let's come and slice our sausage. So guys, stay tuned. I'm now slicing my sausage to put in the spaghetti noodles. I've never eaten it, but let's see how it's gonna work, how it's gonna go. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, I don't know what to use in between my fingers. As you can see, all of my fingers, I don't know. It started like rash and it ended like this. I don't know what to use now to clear it up. My fingers are like this in between. So that's my main problem now. I don't know what cream to use to remove it. So guys, stay tuned. Our water is boiling now. Let me reduce it.
Yeah,
Jerry.
Go
Kobe too. Don't disturb my video, please.
Look at the what's
now what?
Auntie, baby, tell me go do this.
The main door, me go.
Inside.
You have to go. Oh, you keep.
And now ever they open. My Precious don't come open now.
love it, guys.
Ingredients are ready. So guys, look at the finished products. My noodles are ready, guys. My noodles are ready. Let's eat, guys. Look at that one there. Divine, let's chop. Divine, baby. Chop time. Hey, Jay. Eating theirs. So, guys, time for me. Guys, let's chop. Allow me to enjoy myself, please. They're not going to today, eh?
Yeah, too far.
I didn't know they got it.
This noodles is too spicy and I love it. So guys, Ivan is feeding herself. Guys, are you seeing my eyes? It's too spicy, but I love it.
Watch us. Hold on, they can't go by the Bible study, yeah?
For go on a company back for it. You're not eat it too.
No, 5.
5 o'clock, maybe not eat it. Is that it with it? Okay, sir. Sunday morning. Okay, sir. Ibayo babadi nyani. Ibayo babadi nyani.
See me enjoying.
Kala go tapa.
No, the pastor. It's waiting. Okay, arrange. Then they can't today.
Ya chufuga. Eko banki mate ya go to papa. So na Saturday go ga no for that. Divine. Today is Saturday. Today auntie no only eh. Yeah, ni people like go to. Ni mommy there. No problem.
Guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. No, I didn't know that this was how noodles are sweet. It is so sweet. I love it. I love it, and I'll be preparing more of it. Whenever I go to Freetown, I'll buy big packets also. So guys, stay tuned. I'm enjoying it with my cucumber ketchup, and onion. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Hello?
Back. Hello? Are you gonna say hello? Hey, Divine is talking on the phone. Divine auntie.
Sweet Kakiana.
Sweet Kakiana. Oh, Divine.
Divine baby.
Divine big woman.
Divine baby.
Left hand,
Divine my baby girl.
Answer, baby.